So we're going to be looking at how to add a folder to your Mac desktop or in the Finder section of your Mac. So basically, first of all, you can do it on the desktop, and all you have to do is put, like, if you're using the MacBook, on the trackpad accessory, you put two fingers on the trackpad and press down. You're presented with this menu, and you can just click New Folder, and you just change the name, so we'll just call this Test Folder, and you can see we now have a folder on our desktop. If you wish to put a folder in Finder, for example, all you have to do is click Finder down here, open up where you want to put it. So we're going to put it in the music section, and all we're going to do, once again, is going to show you the other ways you can add a folder. First off, you can click File, New Folder, you just call this one Test, and second of all, you can press Command-Shift-N and create another folder, and call this one Test 2. As you can see, we can now open up this folder, drag in another folder, and everything's okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more tutorials.